Okay, today what we are going to do is we are going to do this question from exercise 7F, page 229, question 1, part B, where they have given you this equation and we need to complete this table first and then we need to draw the graph. We will do using our ClassPad. So what I want you to do is turn your calculator on. So when you turn your calculator on, your screen will look like this. So then I want you to go to graph and table, this option. So when you tap on graph and table, so your screen will look like this, and if there is any data you want to clear, just go to edit, clear all, and press OK. So this is how your screen should look like before you start this question. So while cursor blinking here, I want you to enter this equation. So 2x minus 2, and the next step I want you to do is just tick this little box here. So what I want you to do is just tap on this small square and a tick mark will come up. After that, we want to complete this table, so I want you to click on this option on your calculator. This will give you a table of all the values. So let's try that. So as soon as I click that, a table will come up. So here the value of x starts from -1 and it tells me that y is -4, and then the next one is x when x is 0, y is -2, when x is 1, y is 0, and then when 2, when x is 2, y is 2. So you can always complete your table. But what we want to do is, once we finished copying this table from calculator to your answer sheet, I want you to tap. See, this window is highlighted at the moment. I'll just show you. See this one, there is this line. Look at this line. This one is bold as compared to this one. Now see what happens if I tap here, it will go other way around. So this one is bold as compared to this one. Keep this window as bold, as highlighted, and I want you to click on graph. When you click on graph, a graph will come up, and if you can't see graph, you can always drag your graph using this pan option. So if you just tap on this and drag your graph, you can easily see your graph. Or if you want to see it even more bigger, what you can do is just go to this option resize, and if you tap resize, you can see the bigger one. Again, you can drag using the pan option as I showed you earlier. This pan option, I just click here and then pan, and I can drag, sorry, pan, and I can see everything. Okay, now if some of you have noticed that my coordinates are different from maybe on your calculator, you can always change them. So if you click on zoom, and I want you to click on quick initialize, so they will change. So now they are going up by 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can always do that. Now if you want to go back and have a look what the equation is, I just click on resize again, so my equation will be there. Sometimes what happens is you want to start from a particular value of x, like if in the table the values start from -3 and they go up to -1. So how will you do that? So to do that, you can always click on this one here, which is having two arrows going north and west with x and y. So when you click on that, this will come up. So in this question we are starting from -1, but if they ask you to start from -3, I will just change it to -3, and they want you to go to 2, leave it like 2. Step is like how big this is. So see that jump, they are going up by +1, so just leave it 1 here. So that's the same thing. Anyway, luckily we have to start in this question from -1 and go up to 2, and they are going up by 1. So I will just press OK. So this is how you can draw the graph of the equation. Thanks.